Is your refrigerator ice maker leaking all down the front and all over the place? Yeah, mine too. Well, stick around, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. My particular refrigerator is a KitchenAid, but I'm pretty sure this same ice maker comes in all kinds of different brands. Let's pull it out and take a look. Well, I'll show you what's wrong is inside of here, this little ice tray has gone all floppy. When it tries to fill with water, it just drains down the side. The water goes down in and down the door and all over the place. So we're gonna change the ice maker. I'll show you how. To make sure I got the right ice maker, I checked the model number. It'll be right up here on the inside. Take a look at all this stuff up here and then scan on the internet, see what it comes up with. This is what I got. W108-73791. Let's put it in. I'm gonna take the ice tray out. Mine's got a broken handle, but that's okay. There's 4 screws inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get those out. I still got factory tape on mine. I didn't notice till just now. This was shipping tape. I gotta remove it. We'll take it slowly out. Squeeze there, pull it apart. Maybe an easier way to find the part number for your ice maker, once you've got the front cover off, it's right here on the right side. It's a 1/4 inch, well, you know what it is, 1/4 inch. Lift upwards and out. Do this connection here. And feed the wires out. Push the button right here. There we go. There's the ice maker. The old one, you can see the problem. New one, nice and solid, but we gotta move this little sensor over here. If you get this little small screwdriver right in here, I'm gonna push down right there and pry outward right here. There it goes. See that? It pops right out. All right, here's the new one. There we go. Now we wait. Hopefully it works. I'll bring it back when we find out. Ooh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to turn your ice maker back on. I'm sure you had it off already because it was leaking everywhere like mine. But yeah, let's flip this little switch in here back on. Now we're ready to go. Now we wait. Well, all right, it's been about 4 hours. We're gonna find out how much ice we made. Well, I guess it's not 0. For those of you that were curious, here's what failed. The end of the drive shaft is sheared off, can't engage the tray anymore. There's pieces. Maybe you could 3D print something. I doubt the part's available, but there you go. Give me a thumbs up if it helped. Thanks for watching. There's the gear you need. Good luck.